the license plate, and $500,000 for this car. This is the Lamborghini Urus Mansory Edition. Look how aggressive this front looks. You've got massive 24-inch rims, a whole new hood in carbon fiber, and then it gets better. Look at this new exhaust system. Now, if you think that looks cool, guys, wait till you hear this beast. It is unbelievable. You've got these new fins here on the rear diffuser. Welcome to the interior, your $500,000 interior. All right, this little latch goes up, start button. All right, now I'm actually going to turn it into Corsa mode. You've got 6 modes here. It immediately opens up the exhaust. Head around the back. The normal Urus sounds amazing. This sounds extreme. That is crazy. All right, check this out. This is really cool here in the middle. You've got a 3D camera here. Press this and you get to see the whole car in real time. If I move this front wheel, you can actually see that moving here on the 3D camera. That is awesome. All right, put it in reverse. You pull this whole panel back. I love that. All right, let's go for a drive. Hop on in. To 100 in 3.5 seconds, you guys. Ah! Holy moly. That does not feel... Oh, it just sounds beastly and it feels beastly. Oh, man. Hear that? I just keep downshifting if I had this car. This is awesome. Oh my God. It feels like it looks. Aggressive and beastly. It has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 670 horsepower.